Hey everyone, welcome back to Meerriz Tech. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to upgrade your Windows 11 to version 25H2, the brand new 2025 feature update from Microsoft. Now, before we start, make sure you're already running Windows 11 version 24H2, because that's required for this upgrade to work. All right, let's get into it. If you notice a little double arrow icon down in your taskbar, that means updates are ready. Just double-click on it, and it'll take you straight to the Windows Update section. If you don't see that icon, no worries. Just open the Start menu, type Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates. Once you're in, click Check for Updates again. Windows will search for the latest features automatically. Now, when you see the option that says Windows 11 version 25H2 is available, just click Download and Install. Windows will start downloading everything it needs, so be patient. This part can take a little while depending on your connection. After it's done downloading, installation will begin automatically. Once that finishes, you'll get a message asking to restart your PC. You can click Restart Now to update right away, or schedule it for later if you're in the middle of something important. During the restart, don't unplug your PC or laptop. Windows still needs to install some files during the reboot. And once that's done, congratulations! You'll be running the latest Windows 11 version 25H2. The update doesn't show up yet, don't panic. Microsoft is releasing it in phases, so you'll get it soon. For example, I received mine around 2 months after installing version 24H2 back in August. Now, you can also get it early by joining the Windows Insider program, but that requires enabling diagnostic data sharing. And I personally prefer not to do that. If your current version is still 23H2, I'd recommend doing a clean installation instead. Microsoft has already uploaded the 25H2 ISO file on their official website. You can simply download it, create a bootable USB, and install it from scratch. And don't worry, I'll be uploading a complete step-by-step video on clean installing Windows 11 25H2 very soon. So stay tuned for that. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Meerriz Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.